Hi everyone, my name is Madison Page and I am the social media marketer for the FX design team. We are here at our client's home doing a photo shoot night. Why is the photo shoot night so valuable? Well, it provides our clients and their family with tangible memories that they can go back on for years to come to see how they enjoyed their backyard design. But also, this night is so valuable for all of you out there who are looking for the right contractor and who want to see a portfolio of designs and variety of what you could have potentially in your own backyard. Our goal is very simple: to enrich your lifestyle. So please continue to engage with us on our social media platforms and all the varieties that we supply. Give us likes, follows, comments, because each and every one of you are important to creating backyards like this.